My name is Che, in case you're new here, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is about this makeup look that I just created, and this is so perfect for festival season. Coachella is around the corner. I know it's so soon, even though I know that I'm not coming. I was so inspired to make this reddish brown eyeshadow with pop-up blue, as you can see here. It is so perfect. I also just add this wig, and this wig is from Fresh Pen. I also added a nose ring here. Actually, I'm loving this. This is so cute. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe on my channel. Make sure to hit that button below. And if you love watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And without any further ado, I think let's get started. Alright, so first off, I'm gonna use this shade right here, and I'm gonna use this as my base. I'm just gonna tap off the excess. Alright, so next up, I'm gonna use this dark brown right here, and still I'm using the same Crown brush palette. I'm just gonna use a flat blending brush from Crown brush as well. I'm just gonna dip it in. And then moving on, I'm gonna take this reddish brown shade right here, and I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. I usually use a neutral eyeshadow, and to apply that, I'm using a Crown brush blending brush. I hope they have name, but they actually don't have. Doesn't say anything. I'm gonna apply this on top right here. And then I'm gonna blend the eyeshadow in circular motion. I am just building the shade until I'm satisfied. Just keep going. I'm gonna use the dark brown shade that I used earlier and apply this all over again, just to deepen it out a little bit more. And this time I'm just gonna apply this on the outer corner of my eye crease as well as on the inner. And by doing that, I'm just creating a halo. And I'm gonna use a blending brush and merge this eyeshadow together just here on top. And then what I've been loving lately is this small flat brush from Crown brush. I don't know what it's called, I have no idea, but I've been using this to cut my crease. It is very small, detailed flat brush. I love this. I've been using this so much. And then I also love to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer to cut my crease with this small flat brush. And then what I love to do is apply this concealer on the center and blink up and down so I know where my cut crease is. And I'm just gonna build this and make sure it's nice and of course even. It is very important when you're creating a cut crease, it should be nice and even, and then it should be looking like this. Alright, so after that, I love to set my cut crease with a setting powder. And then for the center of my eye crease, I'm gonna take this, let's say, champagne color eyeshadow. I actually been loving this cut crease so much. I only learned this about few months ago because I never really did this so much when I started doing makeup. And FYI, I am not a certified makeup artist. I'm still watching tutorials and makeup videos on Instagram as well as on YouTube. And just to clarify, I am not a makeup artist. This is only from my personal experience. I am a self-taught makeup artist. So I'm still learning. So for the blue-green eyeshadow that I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna take this shade right here and I'm gonna use a small flat brush. And then last shade is this super black eyeshadow right here, still from the eyeshadow collection from Crown Brush. Just a tiny amount, and I'm going to apply this right here. I'm just gonna dab it, just to deepen it out a little bit more. Make sure it's blended so well with the blue-green eyeshadow. Alright, so now I'm gonna use a makeup remover, or you can use any makeup wipes you have. I am just gonna clean this. Just like that. Alright, so I'm also gonna add a liquid eyeliner, and this one is from NYX Cosmetics. I love this liquid eyeliner so much. It is super black, and the good thing about it is the applicator is so sharp and thin. And the best thing about it is this is so affordable. I think I got this for $6 or $4. For the lashes, I'm using one of my favorite eyelashes, and this one is from Sasu and Suzanne Jackson in the style Taylor. Alright, so this is the eye looks like so far. We're not even done yet. We have to apply some eyeshadow on the lower lash line. And for the foundation, I am gonna use the Wonder 2 Last End foundation. This is what I've been using lately, almost every day, every time I have to wear makeup. And I am in the shade Nude 30, in case you're wondering. And then for the concealer, my go-to has been this Hydrabalm Precision Concealer from Dalton Beauty. And if you don't know about Dalton, you have to check it out. They have some awesome products. And I love Doris and Marisa. They love dogs so much. And then to bronze up my face, I'm gonna take the Anastasia bronzer, and I am in the shade Saddle. I've also been loving to use a blush, and this one is from Wet n Wild. Asian eyes. That's how I apply blush on. And then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna take this super black eyeshadow from Crown Collection, still from the Crown Brush eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this to apply into my lower lash line. It's a black and dark brown. I'm sorry. Alright, so the eye makeup looking so cute. I'm also gonna apply some mascara on my lower lashes to complete the eye look. So now I'm gonna set my face with my Mario Badescu. I love this stuff so much. It is so cheap. It is only $6 and it's so dewy. It smells so good. Do you see that glow though? My favorite part. Oh Alright, so for the lips, I have here the liquid matte lipstick from Crystal Hearts Cosmetics, and this is in the shade 311 Samantha. But of course, before that, I gotta line my lips first. This is the final look. I just pop on, of course, my wig and then a nose ring. This is actually a fake nose ring, don't worry. And then there you go. This is the final look. I hope you love watching this video as well as this look I created for you. Also, I hope you love watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming this. And if you have any questions or comments, let your girl know. And if you missed any product that I mentioned in today's video, I will surely put them on the description box below so you guys can check them out. Also, I'm actually loving this festival vibes. I don't know, I've never been in a festival before, and I'm pretty sure I'm not going to Coachella this year. I am just using these special occasions to make some different makeup looks. Comment down below if you are going to Coachella this year. I do really hope I inspire you and help you on what makeup look you're going to be. And please do let me know if you created this look, and make sure to tag me on my Instagram account at Chet Mosley, and I would be so happy to see them. And that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video very interesting. In the meantime, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys, love you.